Yeah, that's right, guys. The KC Pioneers is a professional gaming franchise.
Sharing in Bartle Hall today for a tournament involving a sport you may have never heard of. KSHB 41 News reporter Jiyoung Kim introduces us to esports.
The biggest trends in entertainment are esports and video game streaming. A few Chiefs players are joining the trend by signing with an esports team based in Kansas City.
The Kansas City Pioneers.
The Kansas City Pioneers, aka KCP.
It all started with an idea, a thought that, just maybe, our city could harness the power of esports and build something greater than us.
Born out of passion and fueled by collaboration. Since we launched in July of 2019, momentum in the Kansas City Pioneers has been going strong.
The Pioneers started from humble beginnings with the goal of becoming a champion. It all started with Rocket League, showing the world that underdogs could be top dogs. Sometimes you just need a little faith.
44 to go. First killer over. Low.
Really been at least getting on the scoreboard. That offense been rapid and memory into their own right. Look at that. They get the net open. Beast mode will actually get that pass first killer. There you go, KC Pioneers. KC Pioneers looking for the shot.
Within a year, we were the
Beast
6th
mode
best Rocket League team in North America. And in doing so, we had become the highest placing esports team that Kansas City had ever seen. And we were just getting started.
Kansas City Pioneers. Earlier today, so yesterday when this came out, Kansas City Pioneers put out a tweet saying, "Today we are saying goodbye to our Rocket League team. We're extremely proud of our team's success and look forward to their continued growth with Shopify." And everybody's like, who the heck is Shopify? What the heck's going on? You're not leaving Rocket League.
He's got this unmatched passion, fire, and he understands the game on a whole different level. He's probably one of the most mechanical players in the world in Rocket League, and he's just getting started.
Analytical, very methodical, obviously insane defense, but also just like smashing some offense as well.
Later that year, we would sell our roster to Shopify in a move that was unprecedented. This decision changed our business forever.
I want to acknowledge that this space has been developed in great partnership with the KC Pioneers. So we're excited to bring this partnership to another level and excited to see that partnership grow for many years to come.
As an organization, winning is critical, but community engagement was also a key to our success. In 2021, we launched a partnership with the Boys and Girls Club that saw us servicing hundreds of youth across the Kansas City metro. We knew we could build a winning brand while impacting our community in a positive way.
Know that they're good enough to be a professional player, and able to actually monetize what they're doing, or get a scholarship for what they're doing, or make it their career. So we want to make sure we educate them the correct way, and with this hub here, they're able to come in and have a glimpse of a professional environment. So they know what that kind of feels like, and where they need to be if this is something that they want to do.
It's an amazing opportunity, not just to have activity for young people, but also to show them what the future can be.
It starts with the grassroots effort. Halo brought us a chance to build a new team with an undeniable spirit. We created experiences and content that will last forever. And after years of hard work, we were top 6 in the world.
At the same time, we entered Years of War, picking up what would later be known as a dynasty roster, and within 2 years, we won world championships back-to-back.
Thank you to all my fans. I love all of y'all who supported me throughout the split. Whoever hated on me, drop Browne. Thank you also. I was reading all of it. Thank you. I'm a champion!
We are representing Kansas City on a global scale like never before.
And we're winning 3 years strong.
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 3 years strong. This is my city.